think the main trends are that alternative data is going to permeate through the investor space. I still think that we're relatively early days, and I think a big part of that is educating funds about how they can use that data. And I think events like this should help to do that.
You see some acquisitions recently, so it's a little bit less of the wild, wild west. You see a bigger effort being built around kind of data provenance and simplifying, again, like this wild, wild west to a more organized industry, efforts by the industry to standardize.
I would say I certainly see a lot of consolidation in the space, and I'm starting to see that some of the bigger vendors out there are starting to buy into other firms and starting to just kind of take over the market.
One of the things that we've observed from a data adoption standpoint, especially for the discretionary folks, is that they are trying it out a lot more. We're seeing research analysts buying data sets or just sampling data sets, and that is, from my perspective, exciting in a number of ways. First of all, it just shows that they find it at very least interesting, but also compelling enough to actually purchase something.
In particular, those with a focus, obviously, on REITs, which is our traditional strength. But where we've seen it is also on the retail side. There's more and more that are exploring foot traffic and the conversion rate to sales, and they're looking for trends with the correlation there.
Yeah, particularly for our products, we see a trend that now even the bigger companies, the bigger asset management are coming to those events and are really interested to hear more, to learn more, and maybe hopefully to buy.
I think there's going to be more conferences like that with companies from corporates attending. So I think these conferences are going to expand to include, right now this is mostly the sort of investment community. I think in the future this is going to include more corporates who I think probably find this data really valuable as well.